Hello, welcome to the series which are related to interacting with ElasticSearch using Rust language. In this video I will show how we can make simple search and with simple query. Okay, let's get started. First I want to create a reusable function. Let's call it search. And again, in this function, I will provide the client, which is ElasticSearch reference, index name, which is reference to a string, and the body of the search query, which is a JSON value. And again, I will return a result object, which is Elasticsearch response or an error. And let's write response equals client dot search, and here I have to provide search parts with index. Here I will use the reference of the name, body with the body, and send that query and await it and return the response. Pretty simple function, but it's pretty enough for our use case. Okay, so I will comment this to request for the creating the index and adding a document. So we already have one document, and I will search by description, not by description, by all the names. Now you will see the query. Let me just write it, let query. The most simple query, which is again a JSON. And here we will write query. And here I will provide multi-match. And here again query. Toothbrush. With fields, I will provide the fields in array. For example, name and description. Let me check. Yeah, let's write for now the query for the name and description. Okay, and search response equals to search, and here again we have the client, and just I have to provide the body as a reference. Await, and we have the response body, and I will print this line again. Okay, let me check is everything okay. It seems okay. Cargo run, and we have the response. You can see it's 200, but how we can extract the value? So we have to take the response body with JSON, so response body equals search response dot JSON, which will be a value dot await, and print this response body also. Okay, do we have an error? Nope. Okay, and we can see the response from Elasticsearch. Successful one, we have one hit with the index products source, and we can see the brand, the category, description, everything is here. Okay, so of course this is just an example how to interact with Elasticsearch via Rust code. You will be able to write more complex queries. Thank you for the attention.